Hi. Now we discuss about VMAX MR137-120 AGM sealed marine battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Vehicle service type. RV. Voltage. 12 volts. Number of cells. 6. Item weight. 75 pounds. Key feature. The VMAX AGM battery has float service, which helps extend battery life to 8 to 10 years. The VMAX AGM battery is eco-friendly and made using contaminants. It has expandable storage, making it useful for RVs, off-grids, etc. with voltage capacity that can go higher. It has a fast charging mechanism, which comparatively saves most of your time. It can provide more than 4,000 cycles in 10 years and has a 1-year warranty, making it quite reliable. The VMAX AGM 12 volts battery is a better choice than the 25.6 volts battery, as it is comparatively lightweight and portable. It is the best trolling motor battery for 80 pounds thrust, providing complete usable capacity. Users can get maximum advantage from the fast-charging battery, as it saves much of your time. The VMAX AGM battery uses no contaminants or silica gel, making it environmentally friendly. The battery has great capacity and can be utilized for various purposes. You can use it off-grid for bikes, cars, electric bikes, marine, etc. You can connect the battery in parallel for wide application and longer usability. Pros: 75 pounds. Contaminant-free. Extendable volts. Cons: complicated manual. Our recommendation. We like the VMAX AGM battery, as it has more than 8 years of warranty, making your investment secure. It is a maintenance-free battery that provides efficiency and long-term use. The product buys link is in the description below.